This Quranic manuscript, held at the University of Birmingham, forms part of our Mingana collection of Middle Eastern manuscripts in the Cabra Research Library. We recently made a very exciting discovery. We've had the manuscript radiocarbon dated, and it's proved to be one of the earliest Quranic manuscripts in the world. The dating of this manuscript is a great discovery for the university. We're now aware of a genuine treasure in the University of Birmingham Special Collections, a treasure that is of global significance to Muslim heritage and to the study of Islam, as well as being a source of great pride to the local community.
I am honored to see this manuscript, which is very unique, which goes back to very early stages of Islam, and I think it was written in the period of third Khalifa, Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Anhu. And all the Muslims in the world would love to see this manuscript.
Okay. وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَدَاةِ وَالْعَشِيِّ يُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَهُ لَا تَعْدُ عَيْنَاكَ